In this video I'm going to show you a super easy buy and sell strategy that only uses 3 indicators on TradingView.com and it's super easy to set up. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to take buys and sells, and then finally I'm going to backtest it. First thing we're going to do is go to indicators up here and we're going to type in optimize trend tracker, and it's this optimize trend tracker here. Click that once. Just double click on the indicator for the settings. For the style we're going to keep the same, and for the inputs we're going to make sure that the moving average type is on VAR, and then for the OTT period we're going to change that to 7, and then for the OTT percentage we're going to change that to 1.5. Second indicator we're going to add is the trend meter, this top one right here. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. We're going to double click on the trend meter again for this. We're going to open its settings, leave the inputs the same, and then on style we're going to remove signal 1, scroll down, and then we're going to remove these 2 thin lines here. You can leave the thick lines, and then we're also going to remove the trend meter background highlight. So now you can see on the chart we have 2 lines which indicates the trend direction. When the blue is below we're looking for sells, and when the blue is above we're looking for buys. We also have these buy and sell indicators here, which will be our confirmations on when to get into the trade. And then finally we have the trend meter, which shows 4 dots. So I'm now going to show you exactly how to take buys and sells. So for a sell, we want to see the blue line cross below the purple line to indicate a downward direction, and then we want to see this sell indicator paint here to confirm that. That'll be on the close of this candle. And then finally for the trend meter, we either want to see 4 red dots in a line, or we want to see 3 red dots, and previously the first red dot at the top here has already painted in the past. Ideally you do want to see 4 red dots in a line, but this is still a safe trade to take. So you wait for the candle to close, that has the sell confirmation on it. Stop loss at the recent swing high, and then we target 1.5 times the risk. You see it hit in just 3 candles. The opposite goes for a buy. You can see this is a great example here. So we have the blue line crosses above the purple line to indicate we are now in an upward trend. Secondly, we have the buy indicator paint, and this locks on this huge candle here. This indicator will only be locked in once this candle right here has closed. And then finally we have 3 green dots on the trend indicator below, and there previously has been a green dot at the top here. So we'd enter our long position on the close of this candle, which is here. Stop loss at the recent swing low, and then we're targeting 1.5 times the risk. This trade did take a little longer to play out, but we are only on the 5-minute chart, so it wouldn't have took too long at all. And this also hit as well. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest this with TraderEdge, and I'm going to backtest it 100 times with an initial account balance of $1,000, and we'll see what kind of win rate we get. Please hit the subscribe button if you definitely want to see that. Okay, so now backtest this strategy, and we took the account from $1,000 all the way to $1,675. The win rate was 61%, which is above average, and we had a profit rate of 67%. Out of 100 trades, we had 61 wins and only 39 losses. Overall, I do think this is a good strategy. I tested this out on Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. Please do check out some other pairs in different time frames and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you again for TraderEdge for sponsoring this video, and thank you for clicking on this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.